In this guide, we are going over 12 things you must check before buying a used iPhone in 2026. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you should check is the activation lock. If you see iPhone lock to owner, do not buy until the seller removes the device from their Apple account. Second, open up settings and then scroll down to general, then select about right here and confirm the model, the serial number, the MEI, and the storage capacity match what the seller advertised. Also go ahead and check the parts and service history in this exact same about screen. You essentially want to make sure that there's no unknown parts or repair that still needs to be finished. Also go ahead and make your way to battery from the settings page and check the battery health. A heavily degraded battery could mean another expense soon. Also check the carrier lock under settings, general, and about. If it says no SIM restrictions, the iPhone isn't locked. Also, always test Face ID or Touch ID. Also, test every single camera, including zoom, autofocus, video, and the front camera as well. I think the 8th thing is what we're on now. You're going to want to test the display for dead pixels, discoloration, or like any sort of touch problems at abnormal brightness. Also test the speakers, your microphones, the volume buttons, the side buttons, the charging ports, and the wireless charging if supported. The 10th thing you need to check is your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure they both connect properly and work properly. For the 11th thing, inspect the frame. Look at the camera lenses and also check the screen for any cracks, major dents, or signs of any liquid damage. And 12th, and the final thing, have the seller erase the iPhone and start the setup process before you even pay so that you can confirm that there's no remaining ownership or activation problems. If all 12 pass the check, you'll have a much better idea whether that iPhone is safe to buy. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.